Hey guys, my name is Alan. In the last 8 months, I made over $45,000. At first, I was too incompetent in marketing. I started out by going to Reddit and just pretending to be a girl and making posts that people found interesting. When they DM me, I brought them to FanView where I monetized them. Here's how it worked. It happened between July and December 2025. With one model, I made 3.6K. With another model, I made just $650. And with another one, I made 4K. It was very good, almost 8.5K. But I wanted more, so then I started Instagram. On Instagram plus Reddit, because I continue to use Reddit to help me with marketing, I made 37.8K almost between January and March, so under 3 months. And after I got banned from Instagram and FanView, I started working Reddit again full time, and this netted me 3.5K in between March 18th and 7th of April, which is the day when I'm recording this. And this is like 3 weeks. And I also made a little bit of money selling on Entice. Now you might ask, how did this old ugly fuck manage to sell this much? Is he like a genius marketer? Is he an expert at making content? And the answer is no, I wasn't. I kind of figured out a strategy that no one else did using Reddit and Instagram. But yeah, the thing is, for any strategy to work, you need to have a very realistic model. In 2026 and also in 2025, you cannot get away with like AI looking models, man. You need to figure out how to make it look real. If you want to start this business and you think this shit is gonna sell, then you're a fucking idiot. I'm sorry, go away. If you think this shit like Aitana Lopez is gonna sell, yeah, maybe you're right, but not that well, not anymore. The market has moved on from fucking Aitana Lopez. We now need models that look 100% realistic, not this bullshit. Because nobody wants to jerk off to fake people, and you have to understand that before you start. They may suspend their disbelief for you if they really like your model, but that's only if you make your model look like a fucking human. And you're in luck, because today I'm gonna teach you how to accomplish that. Now, the first thing you need is a Higgsfield account. Now, I'm not gonna show you how to make a Higgsfield account, and I'm not gonna try to convince you to buy the $12 Higgsfield package. But if you do want to make fuck you money by selling fake girls, then look at this shit. Yeah. So these are kind of 3 examples of realistic looking girls with pimples, with imperfect faces, with bodies like this, with dirty mirrors. Yeah, these are girls that sell in 2026. So after you made the Higgsfield account, after you paid, yeah, you need to pay $10-12 for the Higgsfield thing. Okay, so step 1, you need to make a girl next door looking type. Only one software I found gives me the faces that work for this kind of niche, and it's Higgsfield Soul 2. And look how simple it is. We have the general preset, and that's fine. You don't need anything else. And make it square, make it 2K. Use the prompt enhancer. Prompt enhancer, basically, if you're an illiterate retard, it kind of figures out what you want and puts it there. So I'm just gonna tell it generate the face of a cute girl next door type from Turkey, let's say. Yeah, I want a Turkish girl. Then I want from Sweden, then from Mexico, from Italy, and from the south of France. So here's what we got. We got the Turkish girls, and we got the Swedish girls, then Mexican, and whatever I said here, and then, yeah, Italian and French. Yeah? Now, don't just choose the most beautiful looking face. Everyone has the most beautiful looking face. Yeah, you need to stand out. You need to first eliminate any doubt that your girl is AI. Nobody's gonna look at an ugly AI girl, and think this one is fake. Yeah, nobody does that. You're gonna have your own niche. Like, for example, this face looks too perfect to use. It's just gonna look more or less the same like all the other models out there. This one also has, her eyebrows have a lot of character. I like her, but still I would use something a little bit uglier, let's say. Some of the Swedish girls here that they made, they have manly faces. I wouldn't go with that, because if you choose like a manly face, it just doesn't get the same rise out of most guys as a female, feminine looking face would get. The Turkish girls, I think they're very interesting. I think this one is very interesting. She looks like a tall, lanky type of girl, and I think that's underrepresented in Instagram. So I'm actually gonna go with her. Now, download this picture. Apply Higgsfield Skin Enhancer if you need it. I don't think we need Higgsfield Skin Enhancer for this one. I think it turned out okay, but I'm gonna show you how Higgsfield Skin Enhancer works. It's a very powerful tool. Always choose soft skin, right? Don't use realistic skin or imperfect skin, because it just makes your skin fugly. You don't want it that extreme. Unless you make a niche of girls with acne or something like that, just use soft skin, right? And if at some point you're thinking, oh, but this is not someone I would jerk off to, it's not about you. Yeah, you probably believe that you're out of this girl's league. What you have to understand is that people who buy these services, they suck with girls. Like, I've had 50-year-old virgins buying this shit from me and making them very happy. Your target audience is though that 10% of men that really cannot even talk to girls. Yeah, and that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get guys that are very happy to see like a normal girl naked and talk to her and imagine being with her and stuff like that. Yeah, so the skin enhancer didn't do much in this case because the skin was already good. But we're gonna it looks kind of better than the first one. I like it gave it a bit of more color. But normally if the skin is too smooth, the skin enhancer will improve it. Yeah, so after you enhance the skin, what you need to do is get multiple angles for her face, because we want as much information as possible of how her face looks from all angles before we proceed. And here you can see that you can choose the angle. Yeah, choose it from the side, 45-degree angle. It's so cheap to generate just 0.2 credits to generate an angle for your photo. Yep, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. I'm happy with this, we can go ahead. Yeah, and now we want kind of like a shape for her body that we're gonna use. Nano Banana is good with that, so we're just gonna say generate a picture of her from head to toe to serve as reference for future creations. And we just need to upload all the pics that we have so far. This one, I would make it 3x4. I'm gonna generate 24 pictures and then have my pic. By doing this, you're not making the mistake of stealing from anyone so that you get banned on FanView or Instagram or something like that. Nobody can say they own this face because you made it and you can prove it. And also the body, nobody can say they own the body because you made it. Now let's see if it mangled her face, because sometimes it does that. Here I think it's good. Yeah, so these are the results. Just pick one that looks the best to you. There are some where she's smiling. I don't need her to smile right now, so I don't care about that. I think this one is the best. I'm gonna save this one and go to angles again. Now I'm gonna make more angles of it. Alright, so I got 5 angles of her body. I'm just gonna download the pictures. Going back to create image, now we have 10 pictures in total. 5 angles of her face, 5 angles of her body. Right, so now I want a mirror selfie with a slightly dirty mirror, and I want it to look very realistic. Mirror selfie, 10% dirty mirror, and I'm gonna copy paste this. This should be in all of your generations. Amateur, badly framed, low light, grainy, iPhone 12 camera, unposed and shy. And maybe describe it a little bit. She takes a mirror selfie in her bedroom in the evening. Yeah, let's see how good and how realistic this looks. If you're a cheap fuck, you might want to generate one picture at a time, but If you've worked with AI, you know that you need to generate more than one at a time. Yeah, so look how realistic this shit is. Look how good it looks. If someone sends you this photo, you're not gonna say it's AI. You might put it into Site Engine or something to see if it's AI or not, but with the naked eye, I don't think you're gonna tell. This is a picture you can put up on Instagram. This is a picture you can use on Reddit. The sky is the limit as to what you can do with a good model. You can make a shit ton of money by having good marketing skills. Now, if you want to start Instagram, you should know that at this point it's kind of pay to win, and it's a minefield. You need to have some money, and you need to jump through the hoops. You can get banned left and right by doing the wrong thing, and the wrong thing is not necessarily the most logical wrong thing. You can get wrecked just like that by, I don't know, connecting to a Wi-Fi or posting the wrong picture. So what I actually recommend if you want to start making money in 2026 is to start like I did, is to go to Reddit. You can start with Reddit for $0 and make a shit ton of money, just like I did. I made $12,000 off of Reddit with these kinds of models. And if you press the like button and subscribe to the channel, then next week I might make another video in which I'm going to show you how to make a living by just writing on Reddit once a week and selling AI on FanView or Lastify.